Why does it matter to comprehend the way businesses are categorized in the Philippines? It may seem like a trivial detail, but in reality, it's a key component of navigating the country's complex economic landscape. In the Philippines, businesses are classified into three main categories: micro, small, and medium enterprises. Each of these categories has distinct characteristics that define it and set it apart from the others. Understanding these differences can provide valuable insights into the country's economic dynamics and business environment. Microenterprises are the smallest type of business, often run by sole proprietors or small teams. They have assets of less than 1 million pesos excluding land. These businesses are typically local, serving a community or a specific neighborhood. They are the backbone of the Philippine economy, making up a significant portion of the country's businesses. Small enterprises, on the other hand, have assets between 1 million and 15 million pesos, excluding land. They typically have more employees than microenterprises and serve a larger market, often spanning multiple communities or regions. Small businesses in the Philippines are diverse, ranging from retail stores to manufacturing companies. Medium enterprises are larger still, with assets between 15 million and 100 million pesos, excluding land. These businesses operate on a larger scale, sometimes even nationally. They employ a significant number of people and contribute considerably to the country's GDP. However, it's not just about the size or scale of operations that sets these categories apart. It's also about the challenges they face, the opportunities they offer, and the roles they play in the economy. Microenterprises, for instance, often grapple with limited resources and lack of access to capital. Small enterprises, while more substantial, still face challenges in scaling and competing with larger, more established businesses. Medium enterprises, meanwhile, deal with more complex issues such as managing a larger workforce and navigating broader markets. The categorization of businesses in the Philippines offers a lens through which to understand the country's economic fabric. It reflects the diversity and dynamism of the Philippine economy, with businesses of all sizes contributing to its growth and development. So there you have it. The Philippines classifies its businesses into micro, small, and medium enterprises, each with its own unique characteristics and roles in the economy. This understanding is not just a trivial detail, but a crucial piece of information that can guide entrepreneurs and investors in making informed decisions. After all, knowing how businesses are categorized is a stepping stone to understanding the broader economic landscape. Remember, in the world of business and economics, knowledge is power. The more you understand about the categorization of businesses, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing economic tides. Whether you're looking at micro, small, or medium enterprises, understanding these categories is a key part of the puzzle that is the Philippine economy.